Hi guys, and welcome to Art. My name is Miss Winter, and I'm the art specialist at Mary Silvera. But until we can be back in our art rooms again, I'm so excited because we're actually going to come together as a district in one uber cool art room. How great is this? So let me officially welcome all of you, Lucas Valley Elementary, Vallecito, and Mary Silvera. You guys, welcome to your art room. I want you to think about this. There are going to be close to 1,300, if I'm doing my math correctly. I think it's about 1,300 artists, all of us together in one place with a common goal, sharing our art with the community. Think about what happened in May when we all came together, we collaborated, and we did the Heart Walk. It was so great, so great. It was a joy to drive around the community, to walk around the community, see everyone's door with a beautiful heart, people who were working on the front lines, coming home after a really tired day or a really long day at hospital. Their spirits were raised, their heart felt joy because of you guys. You shared your beautiful artistic talent and love, and you put that out in the community. Guys, we have the opportunity to do that again this year, multiple times perhaps. So I'm truly excited and truly honored to have this opportunity to create with all of you. So here's to an amazing year. All right, let's do a little tour of our virtual art room so you guys know what's what. So let me make myself a little smaller here. I'm in my way. All right, so when you first enter our virtual art room, you are going to come to the screen, to this slide. I want you to notice on the left, this is important. So on the left, you have links directly to your Google Classrooms. Now, all of you at this point know how to use Google Classroom. Our Art Google Classroom will be exactly the same sort of layout, and you will find all the new projects under classwork. So if I'm in kindergarten, I'm going to be red. So kindergartners, red. You're going to click here, and this will bring you directly to your Google Classroom. The Google Classrooms will be updated weekly. So no matter what day your art has been assigned by your teacher, or if you just feel creative and you want to visit, guess what? We're 24/7 here at this art room, and you may come anytime that you feel creative and you want to engage in art. I will be updating this page each Google Classroom will be updated weekly with new projects, new assignments. I'll be delivering them via video. I'll be making Google documents, making very clear pictures and directions. It's going to be fantastic. I can't wait. So that's important, your Google Classroom area. Let's take a look down here. We have a laptop with a YouTube link. So what is this, you may ask? We have a link to bonus lessons, guys. So these are just the lessons that I posted during the spring, but many of our artist friends here have not had an opportunity to see those yet. So that is a really great place to go if you'd like some bonus lessons. Let's look over here to our right, and we have the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa link is going to bring you directly to our third slide. And the third slide is gallery tours. Here's what's really cool. A lot of the museums and art galleries around the world are actually offering virtual tours of these museums. So you can travel to the Louvre, I know how to speak French, the Louvre, and you can go see the incredible art there from your couch. How cool is that? So I will be updating this throughout the year with lots of different links to various art galleries. Let's go back to our art room. You have a nice quick link back here, or you can just toggle between the slides. You guys know how to do that. So back to our art room. We have a bookshelf here. What is that? Let's have a look. So the bookshelf link is going to bring you directly to our art library. That is so difficult to say, by the way, you guys. Trust me, I've tried about 40 times. Our art library. Anyway, when you get to our art library, you'll see that we have lots of different books to choose from. This is a great place to come if you're looking for inspiration. You want to learn about a new artist. You want to, just as I said, gain inspiration, or just have a place to unwind after a busy day. Art library is a great place to come. Here's what I like about this is all of these links lead directly to a read aloud of the story. So you're going to be able to listen to the words while you're looking at the illustrations. You're looking at the pictures in the book. Great way to gain inspiration, great way to get new ideas, or just to learn about an artist. So let's go back to our classroom and see if I've missed anything. One more link. And this is important. This is our Dropbox. So if you go to the filing cabinet down here, there is a Dropbox link. The Dropbox is for you guys to share pictures of your art with me. I really want us to stay connected. So please do upload photos of your art. I want to see it. I want to maybe even create like a virtual art show or something. That would be epic. So I'm thinking about that. Anyway, so please make sure your art is included. Take a photo and upload it in the Dropbox here. So let me make myself big again. Oh, before I do, I should not have done that so fast. Let me move out of the way again. Can't move out of the way. I was trying to scroll myself over. Anyway, let me make myself small again. Here we go. I forgot to point out this one important thing. The Blackboard, guys. The Blackboard will be updated weekly. It's a great place to look first. I will be talking about if we're doing a district-wide collaboration, there'll be a note on the Blackboard going, check out the assignment, everyone's part of it, and that will be something that is due. So that's something that I'm really going to ask you to do. For the other projects, I'm really going to let you guys choose. The only thing we want is for you to be here for at least 45 minutes creating. So spending 45 minutes creating a week. It's a great way to unwind. We want you to continue your art education. I promise I will do my absolute best to deliver projects that get you engaged, that keep you creating at home. And don't worry, if you don't have the art supplies that you need, I've given recipes for homemade art supplies. There are always ways. There are, different ways to do an art project, and I will be giving you those options. So don't stress. If you don't have things at home, you're okay. You're okay. But if you need anything at all, you need advice, you have an idea, you want to share something, anything at all, I'm here for all of you guys. My email address is written right here on the board. There are quite a few of you, so it may take me a little bit to get back to you, but I promise I will. So please email me with any questions, any concerns, anything at all. But that's it, guys. So get started. Why don't you guys hop on over to your Google Classroom and let's see what our first assignment is, our first project is that I've posted. I hope you enjoy it. It's something that I've really enjoyed doing myself, and I hope you guys do too. So here's to a fantastic year, artists, and so proud of all of you. You've done an incredible job with your online learning, and I know that's going to continue. So thumbs up, everyone. Can't wait to see you, and enjoy. All right.